Let's be real. Hindi naghihirap ang mga Pilipino dahil kulang sa sipag. Naghihirap tayo dahil kulang sa financial education. Hard truth number 1. Kahit gaano ka kasipag, kung wala kang sistema, isang emergency lang, back to zero ka. Hard truth number 2. Hindi trabaho ang problema. Ignorance ang problema. No one taught us how money really works, so we're repeating the cycle. Hard truth number 3. The economy will not slow down para hintayin ka. Inflation doesn't care, bills don't care, and time doesn't care. This is why IMG matters. IMG is not magic. IMG is education plus access plus execution. It teaches Filipinos how to protect income, not just earn it. It shows how money should work for you, not the other way around. It builds people who think 10 to 20 years ahead, not next payday. Here's the uncomfortable question. Kung wala kang financial plan today, anong plano mo bukas? Imagine if millions of Filipinos stop guessing with their money, stop relying on bahala na, stop passing financial stress to the next generation. That's how you can change an economy. Not through luck, not through government alone, but through financially educated citizens. Reality check. The future belongs to the educated, not the emotional. So choose. Stay comfortable with excuses or get uncomfortable and start learning. IMG is not for everyone. It's for those who are done blaming the system, ready to build within it. The question isn't, kaya ko ba? The question is, hanggang kailan ka maghihintay?